Welcome aboard the Rainbow Express. Toot toot toot. Our train is ready to go.
Hi, friends! I'm your conductor.
All aboard the Rainbow Express. Let's learn the days, no time to rest.
First stop, Monday.
It's time for school and learning too. Blue for Monday.
All done learning, chug along.
Tuesday's here, let's play all day.
Kick a ball or run so fast.
Tuesday fun is built to last. All aboard! Wednesday's next.
Wednesday's here, bright as day. Paint and draw, it's art time, hooray! Wednesday's yellow, color away.
Next up, Thursday.
Orange Thursday, time to explore.
What does science have in store?
Stars all shine, discovery divine.
Friday fun ahead.
Friday's here, hooray!
Weekend's near, let's cheer.
Saturday's waiting, let's go!
Saturday's red, adventure ahead.
Let's play outside today. Adventure time! Hooray!
Next stop, Sunday.
Sunday's violet, calm and sweet.
Family time. What a treat.
Cozy stories, ready for bed.
We've traveled through the week.
From Monday to Sunday, hooray! The Rainbow Express shows the way.
Welcome back to the EduKid Station, everyone.
Be sure to like this video and subscribe to learn with us.